Hi, I'm Bill Jasper with Stardust Cruisers and State Dock. We wanted to show you one of our designs today that we didn't quite get finished for the show by a long shot, but wanted everybody to see what is available at Stardust Cruisers. This boat is for sale and currently in production for approximately an August delivery date, but it's a very, very unique boat. It's 107 foot by 20 foot wide, 4 bedrooms, or 3 bedrooms with a walk-in master closet. It is all aluminum construction, walls, hull. There's nothing to rot anywhere. It's going to have complete inset glass. As you can see from some of the pictures, we have a new hull. It's designed that could be either on a boat like this without a front enclosure on it or an overhang. A modified hull, it's somewhat of a V-hull, somewhat of a catamaran. It's a marriage of the two. And what it does, it gives you great tracking and the room of a conventional houseboat front end, if not even more so. It's a wide open square deck, almost square deck. But it still gives you some shape and some style that you don't normally have with a typical houseboat front end. The sides of the boat, of course, we've got 2 large arches, inset glass, and those arches are going to flow to the top of the boat. The back of the boat is one of the most unique features. It's very yacht-like and very much from the yacht industry. As you can see, the backs are rounded and curved. Then there's a built-in couch with, we call it the turtle shell, which will have storage inside. That the couch faces forward, and then there's a bar. It'll have 2 level granite top, and to the side is a recessed TV that will hide away into one of the arches. The steps there are curved and also all aluminum. Everything back there that you see is aluminum. The top is going to be first one of these we've done. It's a reverse cut, so on the back here, so it's rounded and also angled as a reverse cut instead of the forward cut that you normally see. As you can see, the hull shape is very different from your typical boat. It has a more narrow V in the center, which will act like a keel, and then flattens out towards the sides. Also, in a displacement hull, one thing that's more important than even the bow as far as how a boat tracks and how efficient it is the back of the hull. The back raises up and lets the water escape, similar to what you'd see on any ocean-going ship. As the back raises up, the water escapes, gives the boat a little push, and eliminates about 70% of the wake from the boat. This is going to be powered by 2 V8 350 gas engines with low gear reduction and 24-inch props. It's also going to have, it's got 3 stations, so being the plan that we have, you can back this boat into your slip, and so there will be a 3rd driving station that will hide away and then flip up on the back so that you can back into your slip using your where you can see, and then of course you've got your thrusters and your 2 inboard propellers, which is far, far superior in handling to any inboard-outboard. This boat is also completely faired, and what that means is when we build the boat, we first miter the aluminum and then weld it, and then after it's welded, we grind off the part that's raised. Still gives the boat as much strength as a non-faired boat. Then we come back with a fairing compound, and it's a very laborious process. It takes a couple of months to fair a boat like this, and so it takes out all weld seams, and it will look very much like a fiberglass boat, and be slick white, no weld seams, everything is level and flat. This is going to be painted white, and then along the hull here from the top edge of the hull to about this area is going to be a goldish brown color. You can see between the windows here how the boat is constructed with all aluminum 3x3 tubing, and there's no wood in the wall. Everything is self-supported by aluminum, which is all attached to the hull from the bottom to the top, and then across even inside it's joined to the other side with aluminum cross members before the roof goes on. This boat is going to have a full flybridge which will go from side to side, and then the party top is right behind us here. It's a complete aluminum structure, the smooth fiberglass finish underneath. Stardust Cruisers has always been known for the unique projects that we take on. Several examples here. In addition to the boat you've just seen, what you're looking at now is a boat that's going to Dubai. It's been designed by some famous designer. It is extremely unusual, but this is a full walk-in hull, and will have inboard diesel power, has a built-in hot tub at the back, and fully air conditioned. So this will be a charter over in Dubai. We've sent a couple of boats there already. We sent a 22 by 125 two-story boat, and then this is the second in the series, and we've got another one just getting ready to start. The top that you also see is the upper level, and as you can see, this is very complicated, difficult construction, but it's what we're proud of at Stardust. We can take on any project, big or small, be it an unusual project or a workboat or something like this. At Stardust Cruisers, we're particularly proud of our welding crew. Bobby Boyett, the manager, runs this department. They can do anything with a piece of metal, as you've seen.